As you start to prepare your site for managing your facilities, you'll need to define the locations that you have available for your organization. These would be locations that you will be playing games on, either a basketball court, football field, baseball field, what have you. So in order to do that, you'll go to Locations and Events from the main menu. And under Locations and Events, this will typically be blank, so you'll want to start defining each one of the locations that you're going to have available. So to do that, you'll click on New and a new location, and that will create a shell location for you. At this point in time, you will then define the name of that location. This will be the location that your users will know and recognize, because this location will appear on schedules and various other places on your website. So here you would name it, Bruce Field 1 or whatever the case may be, and save that. And you can leave the current status blank. That just is typically open or closed for winter, what have you. And if you're going to be using this, the rescheduling, you'll need to set that to be a location that's available for rescheduling. This allows our Rainout rescheduler to utilize this location to reschedule games on. If you are going to be entering scores, you'll need to allow those scores to be entered for this location. The other option is if you want to have games separated by a fixed amount of time. This is used a lot in hockey, where you want to have each game separated by 10 minutes so that the Zamboni can go clean the ice. If you want to have a buffer between each game, you can set that time, otherwise leave it to 0. And if you want notifications going out to everyone, then you would want to notify that when a game on this is it's canceled. Then we get into the availability of the location. Typically, you're going to view that on an 8 to 12 schedule, unless you're a 24-hour a day or an 18-hour a day. You could change that. But this simply identifies the amount of time that's going to be displayed when you go to look at the location for a specific month. At this point in time, you'll be able to now go in and define the availability of each one of the locations for each day of the week. That would be normally if your first game would start at 6 o'clock and your last game has to be completed by 10 o'clock. Or if you start at a different time, you could change it to 5:30 or what have you. Whatever time your first game will be scheduled to start, and whatever time the last game would have to be completed by. And you do this for each day of the week as well as weekends. And once you're completed, go on and continue to add additional locations so that all locations that you will be scheduling games on will be identified and available for use in the scheduler. If you have any questions, please contact support@everysport.net. Thank you.